everyone, Tracy here with CocoCon Essential Oils. Wrapping up our mini series on peppermint essential oil today with 2 recipes for achy backs. I know a lot of people, including myself, suffer from achy upper backs, achy lower backs. For me, it's usually my lower back. So peppermint essential oil is a great essential oil to use for soothing and calming that achy back pain. There's also some other great essential oils that we're going to mix all together. We're going to do 2 recipes today. The first one is a morning bath soak that has peppermint essential oil, eucalyptus, and German chamomile. And we're going to put it in some Himalayan pink salts. The Himalayan pink salts are anti-inflammatory in themselves. They also have some great pain soothing properties. So we're getting kind of double duty there by mixing them all together. So the first step that we're going to do is add some jojoba oil into, this is a 16-ounce PET or plastic container. PET plastic is number 2 on the little triangle on the bottom of your container. The PET plastic is the only plastic that does not interact with essential oils. So it's if you're going to make something in plastic, use the number 2. Otherwise, use glass. Just in the bath, in the shower, when I'm making stuff for that, I don't really like to use glass because I don't want to drop it and make a mess. So anyways, here we go. We're going to make our morning bath soak with peppermint essential oil. And our first step is going to be to add 1/4 cup of jojoba oil into a fairly large container. This container happens to be a 16-ounce size. Oops. Okay. So there's a 1/4 cup of jojoba oil. The next thing we're going to do is add our essential oils, and we're doing this because essential oils are fat soluble, not water soluble. So they will emulsify and mix in with the oil part. That way, when you put them in your bath, the oils aren't sticking to your skin straight. So if you put essential oils straight in the water, especially peppermint, it's like putting it straight on your skin, and it'll burn and really not be a good thing. So step 1 is to add, or step 2, I should say, is to add 30 drops of peppermint essential oil. Oh, that was pretty fast. Okay. Next is going to be our eucalyptus. And peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils are also energizing, uplifting oils. They open up the breathing airways. That's why I'm calling this a morning bath soak for achy backs. So you get that, kind of take the creaks and the aches out of the back of the body, open up the breathing airways, uplift and energize, and you're really ready to start your day. So next is the eucalyptus, and we're going to do 30 drops of eucalyptus as well. This is Eucalyptus globulus. That's mostly what you see on the market for eucalyptus, but there are lots of other species of eucalyptus like radiata, dives, citronella. So keep in mind to look out for your botanical name of the eucalyptus that you're using. So we've got 30 drops. There we go. And then we have one last step and our one last essential oil to add, and that is German chamomile essential oil. And we're going to do 30 drops of the German chamomile as well. It's such an amazing oil for soothing painful situations. And then the thing I like about the German chamomile essential oil is that it's skin nourishing, so it kind of tempers that skin irritation that the peppermint and the eucalyptus can cause. So, and as you all are probably noticing, it's blue, and it's blue from the high chamomile content in it. It's a certain component in the oil that makes it blue. So, but it's amazing for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it makes it so pretty too. So our last step is going to be to add our Himalayan pink salts, and we're going to do a 1/2 cup. So we've got a 1/4 cup of jojoba oil, 30 drops peppermint essential oil, 30 drops eucalyptus essential oil, and 30 drops German chamomile. So German chamomile is different, totally different. Well, same but different from Roman chamomile. And here's our 1/2 cup of Himalayan pink salts. Oops, I'm gonna try and, there we go. And then you just take a spoon and stir it all together. And you can put 1 to 2 tablespoons of this in, you know, a warm to warm hot bath. So I usually let my water fill up a little bit, and then I put my 1 to 2 tablespoons into the bath water. It kind of depends on how big your bathtub is too. And then sit in there and soak for a good 10 or 15 minutes. But so that is our first recipe with the peppermint essential oil, our achy back morning bath soak. And next, I'm going to show you a quick recipe on how to make a body oil for achy back. So, you know, and this is in a little 1 ounce size. You could travel with it, carry it around in your purse, throw some on your hands, rub it on your back, you know, especially for us ladies that get the lower back pain. It's nice to have something handy to soothe things for you in the moment. So this is, we're going to do 3 essential oils, including peppermint, in 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. And this one we're using sweet marjoram, spike lavender, and then the peppermint. So, now we carry a 1 ounce size, which I like because I can just take the cap off. I don't have to measure out 2 tablespoons of tamanu oil. But we also have larger sizes, so you can measure that out too. But 1 ounce is about 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to take my cap off, and we're going to add 5 drops of each peppermint. Sometimes you get an air bubble in there. If you see that, blow it out, because it'll flow and come out better for you if you do. Okay. 5 drops sweet marjoram. And last but not least, 5 drops of spike lavender. And spike lavender is a different species of lavender from what we think of as sleep and bug bite lavender and stress lavender. It has some stress properties to it and can be used for sleep, but it also has a little bit of camphor, which camphor provides anti-inflammatory properties. So we're going to do 5 drops of spike lavender. And that is it. And because essential oils are fat soluble, you just put your cap on, shake, and it auto mixes, which is awesome. So that is it for today. Our 2 recipes for achy backs with peppermint essential oil. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.